This is Mark from Team How To, and we're teaching the masses how to.
Hey guys, this is Mark. Today I want to talk about adding audio tracks to your YouTube videos. These are within the YouTube studio, so basically adding it after you've uploaded it. There are several ways to add it beforehand, but this is just another way that you could put some audio backing in if you needed it. It has several limitations, but it could be good for certain situations. So I want to go through a little bit of that. Let's start off by going over to our YouTube studio. Excellent. Then we'll look over here and go to our content. And we will pick this one right here. We'll go to the details. And finally, we go into the editor. So now there's a few things here. There's a considerable amount of audio available. There's the first thing let's do. Let's go ahead and click on the audio, add a track. So you see the audio symbol. We hit add a track, and it's going to pop up this interface. Now there's an audio library. If I follow this link, which I'll do in a minute, it'll take you out, and you can see all of these that are in here, as well as several more and some just sound effects that are kind of cool. We'll show a look at that in a minute. I don't think there's any way to get these sound effects that are out there directly in using this interface, but you could do it before you upload the video, that sort of thing. And I could probably work on another video to show how to do that. But so I want to show you right now is just basically how to get these in here. So you can take a listen and see what we've got, like this one. Yes, it's called awful. Well, that makes sense. All right, well, let's add something awful to this video, shall we? So what I'll do is I'll just move this forward a little ways into here, and we'll add something awful to this video. So we're just going to click the add button after we've listened to it, and you can see that it spreads it out through the entire video. I'm sorry, yeah. And so what we'll do is, if we don't want it on the entire video, we can just manipulate it like this. When you click on hover the end, you get the white arrows. On this end, we'd do the same. We could bring it in some, and there we go. We could move it around if we choose. So pretty basic stuff there. The other thing we can do is if we wanted to add a secondary one, we could just listen to another one. Perfect. So we'll add that one, and you see it just adds another track. That's what we'll do is we'll scoot this one over, and we'll do this. Now there's a few things to know about this. It's extremely loud compared to your audio. So you want to go into this. If you want to be able to hear your audio at all, you need to turn this down to the absolute lowest setting. And that's going to be about a 50-50 blend of your voice or whatever's on there and this audio. So I'll do that on both real quick. There we go. You know what? I won't. I will leave this one all the way up so you can get a feel. So you'll know just how much you're getting out of it. So there you go. You could add more. If you wanted to delete them, you go to these triple dots here and remove. You can also check out the license info. So all these are free to use. The only licensing issue that they have, I won't say issue, the only stipulation they have is that they don't want you to use this outside of your videos. Feel free to use it on your videos. Feel free to use it on videos where you're getting paid, but you can't take it outside of these videos. So there we go. All right, so let's give this a go.
Of course, we all know that. But they have a lot of fiber in them. And they also have...
So you can kind of hear that in the background, but hear voice as well. Here, totally trumps her voice. Just nothing left of it. Well, now you've been warned. So, there you go. That's about all there is to this. There is not much going on here. I showed you how to remove them. I'll show you if you want to go over to the audio library. We can click up here. And what that does is it brings up YouTube's audio library, just like it sounds. And you can go through here, and this is all, again, free music. Here's the one I found interesting, is the sound effects. And you can look, you can go through and say, these are kind of cool, kids playing. Just some background noise with kids playing in the streets or whatever. And there's a lot of them. If you want, you can do a search up here. And, I mean, you could just put anything. Let's go fish. I don't know if it'll come up with anything. Of course it did not. Let's see. Let's go with car. There you go. Car drive-by, male zombie roar. I'm not sure how that relates to a car. Cleanup spill, who knows? Just weird stuff. Anyway, just about anything you can think of that's a noise. I guess fish don't make a lot of noise, so maybe that's why they're not in there. So that's what there is to there. Now, if you do want to use some of these, you cannot use them directly through this app. You have to download it. So you can come over here to Kids Playing, click the download button, and it would download to your PC or Mac, and then you could go in and add it to a video before you uploaded it. So you can come in here and get these in advance. And there's some pretty cool stuff here. But if you want to go to the free music side of things, there's a bunch of stuff in here. And you can come in and you can, sort by genre. You can sort by lots of different ways. So you can go by mood. So let's just see what the moods are. Let's go for something bright. And we'll apply that. There we go. And all these bright things came up. Yeah. So you can see how that might be useful if you've got a montage scene where you're fast forwarding or something and you just want to throw something in there so that it's got some noise and going on in the meantime. Or I'm sure there's 100 uses for that type of thing. So there you go. That's about all there is to that. Honestly, there's not a lot going on, but it is good to know about. I just wanted to get something out there because I couldn't find much information on it. And I thought there might be some other people that are wondering about it too. So you guys have a great one.
Hey, did you remember to subscribe?